Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color, it's a dark black color. Let's start. Hexagon, hexagon, semicircle, semicircle, pentagon, pentagon, circle, it's a circle, heart, it's a heart, diamond, diamond. Let's learn some colors. Red color, sky blue color, yellow color, purple color, forest green color, orange color, grey color, blue color, yellow green color. Now fill color in shapes. Peacock green color, peacock green color, French barbarian color, French vermilion color, warm grey color, warm grey color, carmine color, carmine color, vermilion color, vermilion color, pastel blue color, pastel blue color. Now learn this shape: hexagon, semicircle, pentagon, circle, heart, diamond. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.